Alright guys, so welcome to today's product review. So I want to review my latest product that just went live on JV. So it's a PLR product, of course, a product that comes with unlimited use rights. That is, you're going to have unrestricted rights to use these products. You can when you pick it up, you can sell it as your own. You can resell it at your own price as well. You can rebrand it, repackage it, add your name, your branding, your website, your logo, whatever you want to add there. You can give it away as a bonus or lead magnet. You can add it to your membership site. You can do a lot of things with it. You have no limits on how you can use this new product that's going to make you endless profits over time. So I'm going to walk you through the through what I have inside and what you get and how you can pick it up and every other thing you need to know. So this is an all-in-one multi-niche audiobook prompt bundle. So we have thousands of prompts that we have we've done all the hard work to compile these prompts, and these prompts lets you generate an audiobook in minutes. Yes, a minute. So just grab the prompts, paste it into your favorite chat app or maybe ChatGPT, and then it instantly gives you the complete scripts to generate your audiobook. And then you move this script you generated to your favorite audiobook creator software, and then you instantly get an audiobook. And you can imagine you having your 4,000 plus prompts that you can use to produce and publish audiobooks at scale. So that's what I'm going to get. You'll be getting 4,000 plus audiobooks, and these prompts cover so many niches. I'm going to walk you through them here. So you're getting the Ultimate PLR Mega Bundle library of 20 done for you multi-niche audio book prompt pack. So it's a 20 in one PLR prompt bundle, and it comes with unlimited unrestricted users. So when you get this prompt pack, you will not need to spend weeks writing. It's going to take away all those stress of you writing prompts, generating prompts, brainstorming ideas, and all of the like. All you need to do, just grab these prompts, copy them, and then paste it to your favorite chat app. So you're getting access to the ultimate audiobook multi-niche prompt pack. So I'm going to walk you through each of them, what they get inside. So this is the first one there. You're going to get 240 self-grouped audio prompts. You get 150 morning mindset audiobook prompts. You're going to get 180 mystery. 180 mystery. What is it? And suspense audiobook prompts. You'll be getting 160 sci-fi, fantasy, and adventure audiobook prompts universe. You're getting 220 manifestation audiobook prompts. So you can see each of these prompts, they are engineered. So all you just need to copy them and paste them into ChatGPT and instantly generate. You can see a full 60 to 90 minutes spiritual audiobook with 12 chapters, complete narrated scripts. You can see energy manifestation exercises, meditation style and BS, intros and outro, marketing blog, timestamps, printable summary sheets, quiz. You can see all in just one prompt. You're going to get all these things, and you will have 220 prompts all inside this. So you can imagine having what you're going to get with just one product on one niche audiobook prompt. So you also have 250 guided meditation audiobook prompts, 220 business and startup audiobook prompts. So we have a lot of them. That's 20. You're going to get 20 prompt pack to generate audiobooks in a minute. So you can see you also get for Christian faith, for children, adventure stories. You get productivity habits, you get stress, anxiety, educational, what a lot. So, and then you have the 180 men's improvement audiobook prompts. So you're going to get prompts that help you produce a full audiobook encouraging positive masculinity, emotional strength, and personal excellence in men. So this is what you're going to get in this. Remember, you're getting full PLR rights to this pack. You get full PLR, so you can do whatever you want. You can resell the pack. You can use that the lead magnet to build your email list. You can use it as a bonus offer for your affiliate promotion. You can bundle them with other products to increase your value. You can use them for your coaching, courses, bundles, lead magnet, memberships, and so on. So you're going to be getting all 20 prompts product packs for less than $1 each. $20. So actually we could actually sell each product for $7, and that would be like $140, but this is a special offering of $13 only, and you get access to everything. You can sell the entire product as a bundle, or you can sell them individually. Yeah, just one product, you sell it, and that one you sell it, or you can even feed them to your membership site. So there's so lot of ways you can profit with this. So just go ahead, click on the button right here, click on the payment button, and it's going to take you over to where you make your payment. So you can see, and you also have each of this. You're going to get the box cover, so you can easily start selling this right away. So we also have, you can also check out the titles for each product that you're going to get. So go ahead, click on the link under this video to secure your copy. You're going to find a link under this video, and it's going to bring you right here on this page, and then you can go ahead and pick up this product. And if you have any questions, yes, I have my email right here on my sales page, so reach out to me via email, and then I'm going to get in touch with you as soon as I see, probably within 24 to 48 hours, yes, except weekend. So please feel free to reach out to me. So go ahead, there's a link under this video. It brings you right on this page where you can get access to this all-in-one multi-niche audiobook prompt bundle, and you can pick it up with full use right, unrestricted right. So that means you can use it however you want for endless profit. So go ahead, click on the link under this video. It brings you right on this page. Just scroll right through it, and then go ahead and pick up the bundle. Yes, pick up the bundle. You're going to love it, and you're going to enjoy it. So go ahead and pick it up. Thank you, and bye bye.